Hey guys, Drone Devil here. So just doing a quick video showing some of the cinematic shots that the Parrot Anafi can do. Got a few requests for this, and also some additional video of the lake. Some people found it kind of choppy, so it didn't appear to be too choppy, but it was a quite windy day. So I'm thinking this video might help people understand better. Oh, and lastly, I did get everyone in the neighborhood's permission before flying my drone over their house, so they're fine with it. They didn't have any kids out there or anything like that, so nothing really to see. But just so everyone's aware, one other note, guys, is that the footage that you're going to see is completely unedited. I just popped it out of the drone, threw it into Final Cut Pro, and then just attached it. So didn't color grade it, didn't evolve. I just threw some music to it. So it's straight out of the drone, no touch-ups, nothing. I did throw some transitions, so it's kind of easier to watch. But let me know your thoughts. Thanks a lot. So some interesting shots. You know, the Epic is strange because it's more like a Dronie, right, that we've kind of become accustomed to. The Reveal and the Rise, I think, both have some value with kind of managing the camera at the same time of moving the sticks. And the 360, I don't know. I mean, I guess if you can't turn it around yourself, there's value. Or if you think that there's going to be an issue there. These don't automatically record, so you have to hit the record button before you initiate them. that's it. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what else you guys want to see. Whether there were some additional questions related to the camel stabilization. So hopefully those are addressed. If you guys have any more questions, if you want me to do some comparison videos to the Mavic Air, to the Spark, let me know. Comments below. Thanks, guys. Hope you subscribe. Hope you smash that like button. I'll see you in the next video.